But let me just check. Oh, here we go. Yellow peppers. Maybe that's a good thing with the big supermarkets, they got more variety, but where is it coming from? British produce. Well, I have to take their word for it. It's British produce. It doesn't say. It's a gorgeous day to be out and about, so I'm going to see if I can get some mulberries, and this will now go to make Oynish sauce. So it means that overall I'll have 4 seasonal berries that are forage for, no, well, not 4, 3, and apple. I've collected the apple already, the elderberry and the blackberry. So the only thing that's left is the mulberry. I only stumbled across it while I was planning to do the apple vlog. So I realized that actually I could get some mulberry and then use it to make some sauce and see how it would work with various products. So I'm here to get the mulberry. Tandem to that, I am to get 4 seasonal vegetables. Now the 4 seasonal vegetables are beetroot, leek, yellow peppers, and spinach. So I'm going to see if I can go to the supermarket and see if I can source them, because I cannot get them out there in the fields for foraging. They would be on farms actually. Now in the meantime, I'm going to see if I can get some mulberry, and then afterwards go to the supermarket which is close by. I've looked at these vegetables at different supermarkets. I went to Aldi, I also went to Asda, and I'm going to go to Tesco. If I get the chance, I'll go to Lidl. So it gives me an idea about comparison as to what they actually sell in terms of seasonal vegetables. But definitely my bet is on Tesco because it's a large one in this area of Musselburgh, and I'll see if I can get those 4 vegetables. The 4 vegetables will go to make the 4 oynifiers, or what is called marinade in Oynish language. It's a constructed language, and it's meant to be just an educational tool for the promotion of Oynish food. The oynifiers will be made from the vegetables that are in season, the 4 vegetables. However, the 4 fruits will go to make oyners or sauces. So it's going to be interesting next week, because next week will be dedicated to preparing the sauces and marinades, and then subsequently the food. And then you'll get to see what autumn Oynish food is like. New brand of Jamaican food, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, so I'm about to go check the price of some seasonal vegetables: beetroot, leek, spinach, and peppers, especially yellow peppers. So I'm just going to check what Aldi has to offer on my mask. Okay. Oh, beetroot. Okay. Beetroot. It's already cooked. Oh. 39. Any raw beetroot? I don't know. No. Cooked beetroot. What's this one? What's this? Okay. Oh, yellow peppers. Okay. 41 p. Yellow peppers. Okay. 34 p. 41 p. So I'm looking for raw beetroot, uncooked beetroot. Okay, leek. And spinach. One second. Okay. Okay, so it's unwashed. Okay. 179. Okay, it's 149. 149. Okay. This is one. And the peppers. And peppers. Leek. Fruits. Leek. I'm looking for leek. Oh, leek. Okay. Okay. So I'm now checking the Asda to see price comparison and possibly where the fruit and veg comes from, if it's locally or imported. Okay. Spinach, leek, beetroot, oh, British spinach. Okay. There we go, British spinach, yay! Good, British spinach. Huh, that's nice. Beetroot, leek, spinach, peppers. Peppers. Oh. Belgium. I'm sorry, good morning. Do you have raw beetroot, the uncooked beetroot?
No, we don't. No, we just sell the ones in the backpack.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not, we don't have any raw.
Where is the one in the backpack? Oh, no raw beetroot.
Yeah, it's pickled and...
Oh, I love my raw beetroot, you see.
That's all the beetroot that...
Okay. Oh,
Not no any good for you.
because I need the raw one to cook, to do something.
Yeah,
Because I think these ones is preserved with vinegar or some.
they are, yes, they are, they're pickled.
So I want the raw one to do
Yeah.
something different. Ah,
There's a
man.
fruit shop halfway down the street, you might get
A fruit shop down?
a fruit shop, yeah.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Just keep past the police station.
Yes.
Keep walking down there. It's half,
On the left hand side?
yeah, same side as the police station.
Okay, a fruit shop.
It's a fruit shop and a flower shop and that, so you might get it in there.
I'll check it out. Thanks. Okay. Well, okay, so now I'm at Tesco's, Mossborough, and I'm going to check about my veg. Is it uncle? There we go. So I need to find some vegetables. Remember, beetroot, leek, spinach, and yellow peppers. I am wanting all British seasonal products. In some of the other supermarkets, I couldn't get raw beetroot, uncooked beetroot, nor could I get British peppers. So I'll see if I'm more fortunate this time. Oh, I need a basket. Oh, basket. Oh. My brain is fried. Basket. There we go. Okay, basket. Okay. So, wish me luck. Peppers. Oh, here we go. Nightingale Farm. This is from Dublin. Well, technically, Republic of Ireland is part of the Greater Ireland Island, so they'll share similar season. They are no part of the EU, but at least they share similar season. But let me just check. Oh, here we go. Yellow peppers. Maybe that's a good thing with the big supermarkets, they got more variety, but where is it coming from? British produce. Well, I have to take their word for it. It's British produce. It doesn't say. Origin UK. So this is what I'm looking for. That it was grown here in season and not imported. See? So now I've got yellow peppers and it's British. So I'm eating British. Yeah? Spinach. To be over that side. Oh! Beetroot! This is the organic one, raw beetroot. There we go. And it is £4 per kilo. There we go. So this is the organic beetroot. I'm okay with this. Let me check. I don't know where it's coming from. Let me check. Wellswyn Garden City, UK, Ireland Limited, Greenhouse, Gresham House, Leek. There we go. British Leek. There we go. 259, 170 per kilo, 500 gram pack. Good. So we've got that. We also have loose leek. These are the big ones. Nice British leek. And let me see. See, British spinach. Let me see. Grown and packed in the UK. Good. Wellswyn Garden City. That sounds like a Welsh name, but whatever. I don't know. Ireland Limited, so it must be Dublin. So this is British. Grown and packed in the UK. So maybe that's the same with the beetroot. That is, it was grown here, but the company is called Ireland something.